I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Let me see you. Hey. You look charmed.
I'm Cassandra.
Oh, I'm too cool, man.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
honey.
Thanks for calling. Thanks for
Do you have on
calling.
your thingy?
Is it?
The thing on your thing. You didn't wear it?
The what?
Oh, this from
Here, let me fix this.
Cassandra?
Let me fix this. Sorry,
Okay.
I'm fixing.
The gift that you got last night, you didn't put it on?
No, it's here.
Oh. Okay.
Do you, Shauna? Do you have?
Are you gonna button your?
No, I mean not necessarily button. I don't.
Oh, here.
Okay, this
Your
is
wifey wants you to.
so buttoned. I don't like.
You know how she is. You know your wife.
I will. She will be having a war all the time. So.
And the front ones.
Check them again.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Chucks, your jacket too. You didn't.
Mom, thank you, Mom.
Mommy, but in jacket theme.
Take you in.
It's jacket, but in jacket theme. The front, Camille wanted button up.
No, he's fine.
It's fine?
When you wear this, you show your belt, you show your shoe. That's how we do it.
So you rock it different.
Yeah, I like this.
So guys, today is the civil ceremony. Okay.
Amazing. Ready?
Yes.
Can you go to the bathroom or anything? Okay. I'll take that from you. I'll take all that from you. And then you follow me.
All right,
Hello, Daddy.
Hey,
I'm good. How are you?
Sally, I'm glad you made
That's
it.
this is the mom of the bride,
Yoli, make her stay.
and this is the dad. Yeah. Show them your fit, mommy. Show them your fit. Twirl. Show them your fit, girl. Hey, it's a video. That's the mom of the bride. She don't like to hear wedding. It's a civil ceremony, guys. Hello.
With this now.
How are you? Turn around. Turn. Just give me a turn. So that's her for her civil ceremony.
Stay right there.
So guys, this is Cassandra. Oh, you're so pretty. Guys, civil ceremony.
Did you get the fit?
Huh?
Fit check, fit check.
Yeah. Ooh. Yes. So guys, her whole look is vintage. So she's going for vintage. So the shoes, we got Fendi on the feet. Okay, go.
Please take your seats. I am going to ask you two to get closer together because, quite frankly, people would rather see you than me. And now, just a second. All right. Can everyone see them correctly? Yes. All right. Now, Peter observed that humans do not live best alone, but in relationship with others, as partners, and in community. Our Lord Jesus Christ acknowledged this truth by attending a marriage celebration in Cana of Galilee and blessing that celebration with his first recorded miracle when he changed ordinary water into fine wine. Today's celebration is important and special because the commitments of Camille and Peter to each other are marked by public license and sacred blessing. Each of you, by your presence today, is part of that blessing. Camille and Peter especially acknowledge her parents, Carmen and Wayne Powell, his late father, Zuhu Patrick Okafor, his mother, Lizzie Zuhu Mary Nonfo, and Camille's sons, Canaan and Cairo Jacket. Together, we celebrate the rightness and holiness of their relationship with great joy. The union of two persons in heart, body, and mind is intended by God for their mutual joy, for the help and comfort each gives the other in prosperity and adversity, and to protect and honor family bonds. Therefore, marriage is not entered into unadvisedly or lightly by people across all faiths and creeds, and respected by civil governments throughout the world. For these reasons, it is wise for us to invoke the blessings of our Creator on this momentous occasion. Let us join our hearts in prayer for that purpose. Giver of life, source of love, anchor of hope, as we gather with Camille and Peter in your presence, help us to join you in celebrating their marriage. And in the timeless words of the psalmist, let the words of their mouths and the meditations of all our hearts be acceptable to you. Amen. Amen. In this moment, it is important that we make sure that you intend to be married. And so, Peter, will you have Camille to be your wife, to live together in the holy estate of marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her, so long as you both shall live? If so, please respond by saying, I will.
I will.
Camille, will you have Peter to be your husband, to live together in the holy estate of marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him, so long as you both shall live? If so, it's okay. You can say it twice. If so, please respond by saying, I will.
I will.
We heard it both times, didn't we? Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends. But as for prophecies, they will pass away. As for tongues, they will cease. As for knowledge, it will pass away. So, faith, hope, and love are with us. The greatest of these is love. Therefore, Camille, Peter, make love your aim. I encourage you as you stand in this special place before these witnesses to remember that true love and the faithful observance of your marriage vows are required as the foundation of a successful marriage and the establishment of a happy and enduring home. Without these, there can be no real marriage, and the home which you endeavor to build will be a frustrating and vain effort. So, keep the vows you're about to make to one another. Live with tender consideration for each other. Conduct your lives in honesty and grace, humility and truth. Do these things to help your marriage last. Do these things to help your home endure. Do these things as a marriage bond will be a blessing to you, and you will be a blessing to others. Remember these things and do them. Now I call upon you in the presence of God and His company to exchange the promises that will define your marriage, and I will ask you to join hands in doing so. So, that wonderful bouquet you may give someone else. And if you will, join hands. Peter, repeat after me. I state your full name.
I, Jesus Puma Kira,
Take you, Camille Rose Jaquette,
take you, Cameroons, brackets,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better or worse,
for better or worse,
for richer or poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
To this I give you my solemn promise. Look at him.
To this I give my solemn promise.
He's talking to you. Camille, please repeat after me. I, please state your full name.
I, Camille Rose Racket,
Take you, state his full name.
take you, Chukuma Peter Izuglu,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
To this I give you my solemn promise.
To this I give you my solemn promise.
And now you may here add your personal expressions of commitment to each other. And this is where you may share the sentiments to the other that you want to express. Peter, she'll start, and then you. Camille, you're first.
I was hoping it was all the way around. Ezem, Ibu Ihem Nile.
Love.
Ibu Ihem, Na Igasiwom, Ihunanya, Karia Kamara. You understand what I'm saying? Dala Maka Ihu, Muna Ezilom Nanya. Naikwen Unkwa, Namga Ekwesi, Untukwasi Obi. Niye Hi. Ihu Ginanya, Na Enwegi Atu. Ru Ngube Ebi Ebi. Igbagiaka ka iburu ubi kachasi mma nke onwegi igbagi ume dobasara nrogi ikwado gị n'ihe niile ị na-eme na ekwe nkwa ime gị ochi mgbe ị na-eji ndụ egwu egwu na ekwe nkwa na m ga-ahọrọ gị mgbe niile. Ị ga-abụ onye mbụ m ga-ahụ na ọkụ na mmiri ozuzo na-adị n'ụlọ anyị. M na-ekwe nkwa na m ga-abụ udo na nchekwa gị. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Our journey as a family has only just begun, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Chooks, you are the person I choose to spend forever with, as my true soulmate. I choose you right now, I will choose you tomorrow, and I will continue choosing you every day till forever. I give you my hand and my heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace. I promise to be faithful and supportive and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life to yours, just as Jesus is committed to his bride, the church, for eternity. You are my person, my love, and my life, today and always. I thank God that I am yours and you are mine. I love you.
Aww. So beautiful.
Shoes? Your
It's
turn.
over. It's okay, Chooks. That's
no
coming in for
pressure.
us.
No pressure.
Today I feel so fulfilled.
A little bit louder.
Today I feel so fulfilled as a man, having found the love of my life. My Lolo and my word, Camille, you are a special gift to me from God. Knowing you has increased my joy, and it's my belief that our marriage will increase. It's my belief that our marriage will increase our lifespan, because it will be filled with joy and happiness. Your love puts a smile on my face on a daily basis, and I promise to continue to love you unconditionally throughout our earthly sojourn. You've been a wonderful woman to me, and it's my promise that I will forever be faithful to you, to our kids. I will be a good husband to you and a good father to our kids. I will devote my time, my love, my energy to loving you and to worshiping you. If we are allowed to marry in the heaven, definitely you are going to be my wife over there. I love you, my Omarobi here. My word, I will cherish you all my life. I will continue to be a good husband to you and to our kids, and be rest assured that I will protect you at all costs and at all times. I love you, my darling.
Aww. So sweet.
You have each affirmed your intent to marry one another. You've exchanged promises in keeping with your shared intent. Now comes the exchange of rings to symbolize your bond.
Boys.
You each now bring a symbol of your love for the other.
Okay, you guys come back here.
Would you hold your rings up, please? These rings shall forever be the symbols of the love you have declared and the vows that you have exchanged. The unbroken circles of these rings represent the special faithfulness that you have pledged to each other. As you go through life together, remember that marriage will require that you put your energies into your life together the same way you will put these rings on each other's fingers today. Camille, will you receive this ring from Peter as a token of his affection, sincerity, and fidelity toward you? And will you wear it as a symbol of your own affection, sincerity, and fidelity toward him? If so, please respond by saying, I will.
I will.
Peter, will you receive this ring from Camille as a token of her affection, sincerity, and fidelity toward you? And will you wear it as a symbol of your own affection, sincerity, and fidelity toward her? If so, please respond by saying, I will.
I will.
Now, would you please take your ring and place it on the ring finger of Camille's left hand, and repeat after me. Camille Rose, look at her. Camille Rose Jaquette.
Camille Rose Jaquette.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my vow
as a symbol of my vow
that with all that I am
that with all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I will honor you.
I will honor you.
Now, Camille, now take your ring and place it on the ring finger of his hand, left hand. And repeat after me. State his full name.
Chukuma Peter Izubu.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my vow
as a symbol of my vow
that with all that I am
that with all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I will honor you.
I will honor you.
Now please face each other and join both hands so that you may see the gift that they are to you. Look at the hands that we hold. These are the hands of your best friend, strong and full of love for you, that are holding your hands as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands, look at these hands, that will work with yours as together you build your future. These are the hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years, and with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will hold you when fear or grief comes your way. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will give you support and encouragement to chase down your dreams. These are the hands that will hold you tight as you struggle through difficult times. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it. These are the hands that will lift your chin and brush your cheek as they raise your face to look into eyes that are filled with overwhelming love for you. And lastly, these are the hands that, even when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same. For as much as the women, Peter Zuku and Camille Rose Riquette, have consented together in holy wedlock and have witnessed the same before God in this company, and given and pledged their faith each to the other, and declared the same by joining their hands and by giving and receiving rings, I declare by the authority committed unto me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, that they are joined in marriage together, according to the ordinance of God and the law of this state, in the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Woo!
Receive now this blessing as you hold hands.
Yeah.
The Lord bless you and keep you.
Yes.
The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and grant you his peace, now and forevermore. Amen. Now greet each other as you've been waiting to.
Woo! No. Kiss. Kiss.
Now, you have a marriage license. Who has a marriage license? I have a tradition of always signing the marriage license in the presence of the marriage guests, because, quite frankly, I want you to see the license. Most people don't just see the license. There it is. I want you to hear the word of the license. I won't read your ages. State of Arkansas, County of Saline, to any person authorized by law to solemnize marriage greetings. You are hereby commanded to solemnize the right and publish the banns of matrimony between Chakuma, Peter Kazuku of Benton in the County of Saline, the State of Arkansas, and Camille Rose Jaquette of Benton in the County of Saline, the State of Arkansas, according to the law, and do you officially sign and return this license to the parties herein named. I'm pleased. Ray Baxter, you were son of
One,
Am I in your way?
I got a spread for the morning.
Oh, that's
I'll let you know if I need to finish
We'll come on the next one. We'll let y'all do the next one. We'll get on the next one.
huh? What you say, Camille?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Sweet.
I love that. That was adorable.
Me back.
That was really sultry.
You know what? No, go back to where you were. I got one more. I got one.
So guys,
Last one.
he's tired. Chuck's tired to smile. The muscle in his face.
And like come in for a kiss.
But almost.
Like
You get a not quite kiss. No, like he's surprised me. Oh, do you need to lean down further?
Congratulations. Guys, this is the civil, okay? We made sure I made it clear. Civil.
Because the wedding is in
2025. One time, garden. This girl used to spend so much money on flowers. Every time you call, Camille, where are you? Trying to get another plant. Trying to get another flowers. Listen.
When you get rich and spiritually vlog, they must forget me.
Right? Jukes, I'm going to make a documentary. I'm going to get my cousin to edit it so we could put in stuff so you can send it to your family. Yeah. Hello, guys. I'm still in Little Rock. So today, we just eat breakfast with the...
How this?
Hello. Who's
Hold
that?
on, no. Hold on. You like you last, let's stop it. I'm gonna start over. How this?
Maybe your gardener?
It probably is.
Come, it's okay.
Hold on.
Vlog him.
Let me see. Oh,
You can vlog
start over.
him.
You have to start. All this time in our record.
Gonna kill you. cut the grass. Oh, I
What? You have heartburn? What's wrong with your chest? ¿Qué es tu problema?
Me duele el corazón.
Ah! He said his heart is hurting.
Sí,
¿Por qué? ¿A ella?
muy bonita.
Ah! Ah, no, esta es tu novia nuevo.
Sí, sí.
See?
What you know- what you tell him?
I said you are his new girlfriend. See?
So you're the one who's responsible for,
Yes, yes.
yeah? Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you take good care of her.
Yes, he does a good job. Good job. Yes.
Yeah. But you used to have more flowers.
I
on
took
you.
them out.
Mm.
We took these out.
Was too much?
Because you can see the holes. Yeah,
Yeah.
he took them out.
Was it too much?
Yeah.
Mm.
Alright, so you want to cut?
Yeah. I'm going for those ones.
Sí. Mi esposo.
tu esposo?
Sí.
Okay.
So these are called hydrangeas, Yoli.
Hydrangeas.
Yes. And they're so pretty. Make sure you cut them long so you can put them in the vase.
Yeah. Like this is too short?
Yeah, that's too short.
Mm.
That can probably go on the top.
Mm. No, we need bigger.
Or we can just get a smaller vase.
Yeah. Because these aren't as long.
We'll just get a smaller vase.
We'll take off some of the.
The leaves.
Yeah.
We'll cut a lot.
Un vasito.
Huh?
En un vasito.
Yeah, see.
Esas rosas son escudos.
Hmm?
Esas rosas.
You didn't
Rose
know it,
is pretty. It's
you didn't know it was
bonito.
coming today?
No.
Very fine flowers. We should have used this for what we used yesterday.
You should have used this.
For the
What you said you should have used?
This for the bouquet.
Really?
No, you were good. Flowers are nice.
Girl, it's so pretty. The view back there with you. Smile.
So it could be one of my
Your screenshot things.
yeah, my picture. I want to get some of the pink. Is it? Oh, it's.
Pink and
Oh, so
purple and
purple.
blue. So
Where's the
get some
blue?
white
Where's the
and the
blue?
pink. The blue is to your left.
Guys, you need garden scissors going on.
I do.
If it's a garden, I don't have no.
I do, but I don't. Oh, there's a butterfly.
A butterfly?
You see it?
I don't like black butterfly.
Oh.
I need some colors. Ooh. I'm gonna get those. What's here?
Am I going to help you?
I know.
Yeah.
It's out?
Yeah.
Thank you. See, you're my earth angel.
Careful.
I know. Thank you.
Get this pink one.
And this one. You gonna trim it?
Good.
Yeah.
And then you can go on this or get the blue one.
Does these get like really big?
The roses? Mm-hmm.
So why you don't plant one of the single one? This is the other kind of.
You mean, oh, this is a single one. There's one back here. It's just not blooming.
Oh.
And it's red, like the long stem.
Oh. Okay. This one I love.
Yes. Because it's bluish purple.
Yeah. I got to plant one of these at home. I just planted.
And it will
those.
do good where you are, because it's not too hot.
Yeah.
I come around to.
Guys, she has such a beautiful land space. You have woolly for land in it?
Yeah, because it goes around to the side.
You can't put something coming
Huh?
Are you allowed to like bring any of your property to it or no? You can't.
Yeah, this is mine.
I mean, could your house come or you can't do that? Like how you have the side.
You want the blue one? Oh, my rabbit! That's why I'm not come outside.
Was it in here? You like this? Well, it's better than seeing skunk. Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Foxy mo best, no aura.
Okay.
Aura, okay.
Not understand it though.
Okay, I say aura.
I'm doing a video to show off this handsome old man in.
Okay, I say aura.
A cortarte la yarda.
Y después.
Ah, aquel día sprayé aquí todo esto, aquí en una, pero la puerta no open.
Oh,
Tiene-
sí.
tiene una-
Pero porque la puerta no es bueno.
Yeah. Sí,
What is he saying?
quise abrir.
So he wanted to. He wants us to open the gate so he can do it because the gate isn't. The gate.
Well, he's gonna
was
replant
broken,
it around there?
No, the gate was broken, so we had to like
gate
tie it up.
Oh.
So he's saying that he wants to cut the yard, the front and the back, but the gate needs to be open.
Oh, okay.
You fix it?
Yeah.
You fix it?
Yeah. No Kira.
No?
No.
Okay.
Okay, Papa, nice meeting you.
Say mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Okay.
Said okay. Forget.
Tell us a story while you're.
Hey, what kind of story? We have too much story. You tell us a story. Tell us how you met Chooks while I'm doing this. Come on.
Can you talk about something?
Guys, I got her.
You go just put my business out there like that?
What was that? Tell us how you met Chooks. Maybe my lifestylers want to know. Like, give the single ladies hope.
We met on
You've been single
Facebook
for a
dating.
while.
We met on Facebook dating because your girl don't go anywhere
Yeah.
except
And you've
for
been
church
single
and
for a
working
while,
home.
right?
I've been single for 9+ years.
Yeah. But how is the dating? Tell the ladies how it's tough out there.
It is tough.
Because I've heard
The dating pool is not clean.
No. And like you have like ladies Christian ladies who are struggling, they're trying to meet a good man of God.
Right.
But it's hard. Like they meet people online and the first thing want to get in their underwear.
Right. So I've definitely kissed a few frogs, right? Because I think when the devil knows that you're longing for something.
What was that, Chooks?
Come!
No!
I'm only listening.
I think that when the devil knows that you really want something, like for me, I want marriage and I want family, he puts distractions in your way.
Carbon copies.
Yes.
Too, right?
And so I fell for some of that.
Yeah.
And it only hurt me. So I think when Chooks and I met, I wasn't really.
Did you think he was real? Like
So I told him the other day that when I saw his profile, I did not click on it at first. I was like, I was kind of over dating actually. I was just not thinking that it was gonna happen. I was just hurt from all the bad decisions that I had made.
I was tired of her.
Look. What do you think about this one? Okay, look at this one.
And then this guy, I was I'm sure she remembered. Like, I was more on the aggressive end with her.
Like, Camille, get it together.
Yeah, like, I didn't want to see her hurt again or, go through another, some like, please, just take it slow. Just,
Right. Right.
But, guys, he's the real deal.
He is the real deal. And I feel like this came after much prayer. And not just prayer by myself.
Yes.
But you were praying.
Yes.
Family was praying. In fact, like I would just tell people, I was honest about what I wanted. Right? Like, I'm at the point in my life where I want to settle down. I want to have more children. Just pray that
you find
that will happen if it's God's will for me. Right.
And guys, don't think it's gonna be perfect, eh? we got to put in the work, because it's two imperfect people
Right.
coming together. It's not gonna be like, it's gonna be good, but it's not gonna be perfect, because remember, we each have to work on our own,
Right.
selves. So when you can find somebody that is patient with you,
Yes.
and willing to work with you, you guys are willing to work on each other, and that's what Camille has. Because trust me, my sister,
I'm not easy to deal with. So
Right.
Chooks, you have something on your hands right here. But a lot of
she's
people,
sweet.
I
Yeah.
think, don't realize that marriage is work. And they
Yeah.
feel like when they get married, it's just going to be a bed of roses. And I think that's why the divorce rate is so high.
Yeah.
Because as soon as the couple starts having problems, they're ready to call it quits. But I feel like when you're married, you just have to make the decision to choose each other every day, and you have to be intentional about it.
Yes, yes.
And so that's something that we talked about before, when we were discussing marriage,
Yeah.
and how important that intentionality is to us, and choosing to love each other every day is.
Yeah.
And then we both committed to each other and promised each other that divorce isn't an option for us. So
And even on, I would say even on your roughest days, once you put love, you guys remember,
Right.
yeah, we're gonna love each other through every
single
yeah,
thing, good
yeah,
and bad.
yeah,
That's what your vows say.
yeah. Guys, she had the most beautiful vow, and that was just the ceremony. No, what is it called? This is
The civil.
ceremony. Hey,
Your
guys,
bouquet looks really good.
yeah. Of course, it's me putting it together.
And you look so beautiful sitting behind it
Yes.
too. Yes. I love fresh flowers. I
Hey,
love
every week we have to come and
Yes.
have these in my yard. So
plant you some hydrangeas. Like these
that's what I said.
are
I'm gonna go home and
so beautiful.
yeah.
And Canada will do great with
Yeah.
hydrangeas
do
too.
they come back every year. Yeah.
Look at how beautiful that is. You put it on your table.
Kind of flower for bouquet, normally.
So he's saying I should have this for my bouquet.
Yeah.
Looks neat.
It's
Look
nice.
better than the one the woman did.
That's very colorful.
Guys, Camille got her bouquet like maybe an hour away.
Yes.
Listen.
Trying to save $1.
Huh? And it cost her more. Listen. Huh? Well, this is so. And then,
They smell really good.
yeah. Guys, my sister is so vintage. Everything about Camille love luxury, but she's very vintage.
Yes. I go thrift shopping a lot.
Yeah. Camille is very, everything.
I'm a hoarder.
Guys, I tell her she couldn't have me here for a week.
Right.
This word I got up, I said, let me knock before Camille kicked me out.
I don't know. I love stuff with character. So you know how you can just go in TJ Maxx or into Target and pick up something off the shelf?
Not
I don't
you.
like that.
Not you. Even when
I go
was-
into
listen,
some backwoods.
Listen, when I was coming here, guys, I needed time to figure out what I was gonna gift her, because I'm like, Camille is vintage. She's old school. She like artistic things.
Yes.
So even if I was trying to find a picture frame, I couldn't just pick up a normal. I have to find something very rustic.
Yes.
Something very. So I'm like, okay, when I get back home, I will.
Yes.
Work.
Or you have to make it.
Yeah, that's Camille. And with her, you don't have to, it doesn't take a lot to make her happy. Like, you just have to have some meaning behind it. Yeah. You're very easy for something, but it's hard. It's easy but hard to find it.
I'm very easy to please. So I love giving gifts, but I'm
But you're
also
good
very
at it,
thoughtful.
Yeah.
So if you give me something and it shows me that you were listening to something that I said, or maybe you're observing my life and you see where I have a need for something, and your gift comes out of that, it means the world to me. It doesn't matter if you made it, if it costs $1, if it costs $1 million. It's just the thought that's
But you
behind it.
overthrow when it comes to,
I love giving gifts.
that's what I said, and it makes it hard for somebody to give you.
Yeah.
Because you have to really, go deep and say, okay, what can I give? Because you will guys, she outgives by, it shows that she listens. Even she gave her husband a gift, guys, and this, well, not her family.
Yeah.
They all come together, you know. But guys, I'm like, it wasn't nothing big but it's just a sentimental value behind the gift. Guys, we were all just cutting onions. We were bawling, you know? Yeah, it was such a beautiful, and that's the thing about you that makes it so hard for people to give you. Even when she was doing her vows.
My vows were a gift, you know.
Guys,
my vows were a gift.
By the time Chuck's ready to give his vow, he's like, what? Should I even bother? Isn't that what you were saying, Chucks? Yeah. Guys.
So let me give you a joke.
Yeah.
So you know we have the vow books, right?
Yeah.
So the whole time we're standing there, I'm like, did he write all of this on one?
Listen, guys.
Because up till now we not turn the page.
Guys, I was there and I'm like, this girl. I'm sitting there, her vows. I'm like, okay, now, and this is what I'm talking about with Camille, guys. It's hard to give Camille or do something for Camille. Because Camille, even if it's a pin, she'll go outdo you. She's just so, it's not even extreme. She's thoughtful and she listens. You know, and she put that into perspective, right? That's what you do. So guys, after Chooks, you guys will see it in the video. She give her vow. So Chooks now take up his book.
He was like, you said, I saw you turning the page.
I see Chooks roll his eyes. He's like he was saying, oh my God, baby. You just, you know, because I'm sure he only had three lines. When I see Chooks read it and I said, no, man. I said, Chooks didn't write that. But Chooks, you played it well.
Yeah, no, I wish I said the shit.
If maybe a few.
I wanted him to go first.
Hey, Chooks.
That was the blessing I got.
I don't think everybody realized what I catch on. Because you were just flowing. I'm like, Chooks ain't looking in that book. Well, she went and she was speaking in his language. But
I took lessons for a couple weeks.
yeah, listen, I said to her, make sure you translate for us. You know, so we know, guys. But it was just so beautiful. Camille, you're just too much. Yes. Listen, guys, Chooks had to just pick something up quick in his head and just start to read. Well, you did it well though.
Yeah, even though yes, I have just few lines written. But
yeah, but the way you carried it like you had it written. Yeah. He did good, guys.
That was an amazing outing.
Huh? Hey, Chooks, when I fix that so you can watch it over, you're gonna crack
I would
up.
love to watch it.
You're gonna crack up.
Alright, don't want to stop this.
Yes. Guys, this is Miller. I must love this Miller again. Guys, this is the most loved Miller mother. Honeymooners, guys. Look at the honeymooners. Hey? Chooks are pick up every week, though.
Uno, dos.
Yeah. You see them? Lovers. Eh? You ever see her like this? No, eh? Oh, God. That's what I realized. The newlyweds.
Sidewalk club.
Camille, what? You can pull the history behind this bridge? Oh, and slide down. Come back and give them the history. newlyweds. Really? You want to run? No. We go after you. I'm recording her.
Okay, you're going. You only come down.
I'm wake up. I'm on top of the world. Hey. Run, run, run. Run like somebody's chasing you. I saw Naga go on. Is somebody chasing him?
Before you go far.
So is that an exercise area?
Mommy, I read it. It says next right door.
Well, you can't read, boy.
He was walking.
Daddy. So here you basically have to order your food next time.
And then so don't you try to find, shouldn't we try to get this?
There's more seats over there.
Oh, okay.
Mommy.
Oh.
Babe. Mommy, come on.
Yep. Make us see next couple your head say they did the public.
Mommy, go over this though. Mommy. Closing the door on the wall.
Can I bring it down there? Close it? No, we all for you?
I think so, yeah. And these drinks.
What did you get for the boys?
What do you mean? Couples. You know, say, Trixie, I want like one Guinness, what minutes ago. One I beer we drink the Heineken.
Want a beer?
Yeah.
You cheated.
Go. Change it. Ready?
You're taking too long.
She's seen it.
Okay.
Easy.
Only use one.
Close your eyes.
Use one. Two makes it too much. Use one. Give me one. Let me hold one for you. Yes. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
He knows it's in there
So don't do it like that. Use some of your fingers.
because Daddy closed the eyes.
Was vibrated? It vibrates?
Think of it. What one is it in?
The cup feel like a lead.
Which one is it in? Which one is it in? And Fioli, which one is it in?
You cheated.
I didn't cheat now. Which one is it in?
Guys, look over here. Carol, sit there. Everybody. Don't sit back too far.
was the one year that was coming in.
This one?
It is good from here.
Yeah. Yes, your camera for the face. Let me see.
How which one is it in?
Yeah, somebody take you all of it.
Which one?
I like how you finish your drink.
How which one?
Come here. Make me want to drink that.
Hey.
Come here, make me sit up in the pitch room. But I make me not love taco. And then we call snapper. Wow.
Never stop, my brother.
It's not. This is too
This
big
is
now.
snapper uncle.
It's too big.
No, that's a
See something? See that?
Besides, them can't share in the line.
Like beans?
The hush puppies.
Daddy have my coleslaw.
So inside them might mix up.
Here.
I don't want that.
No? Camille said she get vegetable for you.
Yeah.
You know what I think?
Mommy, I have some of this. Mommy, have some of the hush puppies.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?